Alright guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the Meta Quest 3. So I had the Meta Quest 2 I think last year and I sold it early this year, and the box from my understanding was a little bit bigger than this one. This one seems to be more boxy, more square and smaller, more compact. So I'm actually enjoying the size of the box. It does look like there isn't much to it. All we see here is the Meta Quest 3 on the front with the two controllers. I did get the 128 gigabyte version, but yeah, let's get right into it. So we have tabs on the side, same thing that we had with the iPhone 15 unboxing and the Pixel 8 Pro unboxing. So we just have to do that, and we do that here, and then from there you push it out. We just pull it out to the side, and then we're greeted with the MetaQuest logo and the box, and this is where you open it from the top. So from the top here, you will see the headset, the two controllers. So the controllers this time does seem a little bit better in the hand. I am pretty used to, if you're used to the old controllers, you should be used to this one, but this one is a little bit more free because there's no ring or anything. So it's more free going. You can basically juggle these. But yeah, these are the new controllers. We're going to be testing out the AR capabilities without the controllers, see if it's any better. But the controllers do look pretty nice and looks a little bit more compact and easy to use. So if you put that to the side, we'll put we have the headset. So right away, there's nothing else. There is cables here, so I can probably show you guys that first. So these are some files here, and we have the cable. So this is a USB-C cable. I'm assuming to charge it. It's a very standard USB-C cable. And we have the charging puck, which I am not a fan of the size and the look. Would have liked the square one just to blend in a little bit better. But that's pretty much it. There's nothing in here. Nothing in here. So yeah, this is the headset, the Meta Quest 3. So as you guys can see, the design is a lot different compared to the Meta Quest 2. You can see the cameras are upgraded, the sensors as well. It is a lot smaller. This part, this white part here, is the headset. I'm assuming this gray part here is just for comfort. So you can see that the headset is actually a lot smaller. So let me take this out here. All right, so let's put the box to the side. All right, so this is what comes in the Meta Quest box: your headset, controllers, and charging equipment. Very simple, very nice. I am a fan of the weight. Very thin, very slim, easy to hold, not heavy at all. Perfect. I can't wait to try this on and give you guys my first impressions using it. But just at first glance, you can see that it's a very huge upgrade from the Meta Quest 2. Same thing for the controllers. Light, very easy to use. I think it runs on batteries, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, and it does come with batteries included, if you're wondering. So that's a bonus. And we do have the charging cable. I'm not too sure of the length, but it does look like 1 meter long for the charging cables. As long as it's USB-C, it's perfect. All my accessories are now running USB-C except for my AirPods Pro, which I should probably upgrade because I still have the Lightning AirPods Pro. But we're not here for that. We're here for the Meta Quest 3. So I'm going to test out the AR capabilities with the Meta Quest 3. I'm also going to test out the VR capabilities. There's a lot of talk online. I see Ben Geskin talking about the Meta Quest 3 being very good with AR. I personally think it's just a little bit of overhype for the AR when it comes to the Meta Quest 3, but I'll be the judge of it. That's why I got it, because I was thinking people are overhyping it, but I might as well get it and review it myself. And in order to really know how good the AR capabilities are with the Meta Quest 3. Of course, with the gaming, we're going to be testing out gaming. So we're going to be getting the controllers into work and see how well they do. I am mad that they removed Echo VR from the Meta Quest. That was one of my favorite games. We're going to have to find another game that we want to play. I was playing Beat Saber with my Meta Quest 2 when I had it, I'll see if it will be a good game to play with the MetaQuest 3, if it's any different. But really, the AR capabilities is what I really want to test out. Also, we want to compare this to the Apple Vision Pro whenever we do get it. Obviously, the price difference is out of this world. They're not even in the same price bracket. So we're not going to be comparing them apples to apples, but we're going to be able to see what an entry-level AR kit can give you versus a fully spec'd out Apple Vision Pro. I'm still not sure if I'll be able to get my hands on the Apple Vision Pro once it launches. If I do get it, then we're going to be able to see a comparison. If I don't, then we're going to have to settle with the MetaQuest 3. But like I said, there's a lot of apps that I've seen people hyping up on TikTok and Twitter, the AR capabilities, watching movies, playing games with the AR capabilities. Like I said, I'm going to test it out, see for myself, and give you guys the real deal. Because a lot of people are looking online and are feeling like the MetaQuest 3 is all you need and you don't need the Apple Vision Pro. And I want to make sure that that's the case. I don't want to lead you guys to believe that this is better than anything that other people are making out seem. But if it's really that good, I'll let you guys know. If it's not that good, I'll 100% let you guys know, because this is still expensive. Even though it's an entry-level AR headset, it's still, if I'm not mistaken, $500 USD. So you guys want to make sure that you're spending your money on something that you really like. If you like it for the VR aspects, get it right away, because I don't think you'll get any better when it comes to VR, when it comes to the size, comes to games, when it comes to portability, look. This might be the best thing you can get for VR games. But if you're looking for AR capabilities, wait and watch my first impressions and my review on the MetaQuest 3 to know if it's actually very good. So that was the unboxing. Nothing much but the unboxing. I will have my first impressions in a second video. Just wanted to show you guys what it comes with and what are the differences with the MetaQuest 2. But as you guys can see, not much with the box, as most tech is recently, just very bare bones. I'm actually surprised it comes with a charger. I wouldn't be shocked if they remove it anytime soon. But yeah, controllers come with a remote. Everything is assembled for the headset. You have a USB-C cable for charging, and you have a charging brick. I'm not too sure what the speed is on this one. So this is an 18-watt charging brick, so it's decent. I'm not sure how fast it charges with an 18-watt, but we'll be able to test that out as well. And yeah, so let me know in the comments what I should test out with the MetaQuest 3. Should I focus more on the AR capabilities, maybe watching TV, maybe playing games on a screen in AR, maybe seeing if it's good for productivity, maybe working? Or should I just focus on the VR aspect and not worry about the AR? So let me know in the comments what you think, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.